Hello, life changers! Do you struggle to keep New Year's resolutions? You're not alone. According to statistics, over 80% of people don't keep their New Year's resolutions. Sounds familiar? I am here to present you with the concept of New Year's eliminations. Over the past 4 years, I've been successfully changing my life with this technique. My name is Eva Maria, and I'm here to help you make healthier choices and reach your goals. Imagine the next year when you eat healthy, when you reach your goals and you feel better, you are in the best shape of your life, you have amazing relationships, and you thrive financially. This technique allows you to reach everything by not adding anything to your life, but eliminating from it. And this is nice because this means that you're gonna free your time to do more things that really matter to you. Keep watching to see how this technique of New Year's elimination can elevate your life and make you glow in the next year. I used to be pretty unhealthy. I was smoking for 10 years. I drank quite a bit of alcohol and I was weighing 10 more kilos. Additionally, my relationships weren't the best, and especially the relationship with myself. I started New Year's eliminations in 2021. In that year, I stopped smoking some things, and then the year after I stopped smoking nicotine or tobacco. In 2023, I quit alcohol and I also became vegan, so I eliminated all the animal products from my diet. 2024 was my year of eliminating sugar from our household and also oil in any form. I don't know about you, but for me, eliminating comes way easier than adding anything to my life. Maybe it's due to some undiagnosed ADHD traits in me that make it very hard to focus on implementing consistent action in my life. How to implement this technique to your life. First, I would love you to imagine the best possible life. Set the outcome that you want to achieve. Imagine what you're gonna do every day. How do you want to feel? How it's going to be when you finally glow up and you live the best life of your dreams. Okay, let's give these 3 examples. First one is you want to save $10,000. Second one is you want to lose 10 kilograms. And the third one, you want to be just generally healthier. And now from this ideal outcome, you can choose your eliminations. Let's say you want to save money, so you stop eating out. Or maybe you eat out once a month. You choose your way. The second idea about losing weight might be you stop snacking crisps or chips, however you call them. If that's your problem, or cookies, if that's something you enjoy doing. Maybe you just stop snacking altogether. If you want to be generally healthy, you might just stop drinking soda or any sweet beverages. But you might ask me, what about the things that you want to do more of? I'm gonna come to this at the end of the video. The New Year's eliminations make the space for new things to emerge. You basically allow yourself to have more time for the things that really matter for you. Let's say that by not drinking soda, you have another choice and you drink just water. If you don't go out to eat, then automatically you have more money, and also you can be more healthier because you can cook all your meals at home. But when it comes to the things that you really want to start implementing, like meditation, maybe everyday walking or going to the gym, I don't really have an answer for that. I haven't been able to successfully implement lasting change that would be additional to my life. I'm gonna try next year to implement something and let you know how it's going to stick around with my life. Let me know how you like this video. Please comment and subscribe, and also give me a like, thumbs up for creating more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.